10 Natural Treatments for Cold Sores. 1. Garlic treatment. Garlic is a natural antiviral element that's ideal for fighting off cold sores. All you have to do is cut a clove of garlic in half and rub it on the blister for a few seconds. 2. Milk treatment. Milk is rich in lysine, a component which helps to inhibit arginine, the amino acid responsible for causing oral herpes breakouts. Therefore, you can speed up the curing process with this milk treatment. Just dip a cotton ball in a bit of milk and rub it on the cold sore. 3. Ice treatment. As soon as you start to feel any itching or swelling around your lips, we recommend applying a bag of ice wrapped in a towel to the area for a few minutes. 4. Black tea treatment. To alleviate the pain associated with cold sores and speed up the curing process, you can apply a black tea compress to the affected area. 5. Tomato and aloe vera treatment. Clean the affected area daily and then apply a bit of tomato pulp. Allow it to set for a minute and then apply some aloe vera. This will help the blister to dry out. 6. Lemon juice treatment. Lemons are natural disinfectants and antiseptics, meaning they are great for fighting off viruses like oral herpes, which causes cold sores. For this treatment, just apply 4 drops of lemon juice to the blister 3 times per day. 7. Yogurt treatment. Yogurt contains a substance that naturally eliminates the herpes virus and cleans the affected area. We recommend eating yogurt during the entire time that you are suffering from this condition, as well as applying it directly to the blister. If you choose to apply it directly, the yogurt should be nice and cold. 8. Green tomato treatment. Mix green tomato pulp with a tablespoon of baking soda. Then, apply this mixture to the affected area with a cotton ball. 9. Honey treatment. Mix 1 teaspoon of pure honey with a bit of vinegar. Apply the mixture to the affected area 3 or 4 times per day. 10. Salt treatment. Use a spoon to crush salt until it becomes very fine. Then, apply it to the affected area with a cotton ball. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times per day. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.